What's up everyone, if you're seeing a weird error with your GPU drivers, don't worry, in this video we're gonna walk you through how to fix it. So first, simply check if your GPU supports DirectX 11. So to do this, simply press Windows plus R at the same time. And once you do that, you can then type in DXDIAJ. Now, under the Display tab, simply look at the feature levels. If 11 isn't listed, your card might be too old to run the game. And if your GPU supports it, simply update your graphics driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's site. Then choose a clean install if possible. Also make sure DirectX itself is up to date. So to do this, simply grab the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft. And finally, simply restart your PC, launch the game, and that error should be gone. So most of the time, updating drivers and DirectX usually fixes things instantly. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this video insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.